सबको ऐसे लाइक डिक्टेटरशिप जैसे रूल्स होता है कि ऐसे ऐसे करो खौफ बिल्ड करने के लिए। एक गलती के लिए तुम्हारी एक रात की नींद चली जाएगी, सो उसके हिसाब से सोच के आई वाज मूविंग अराउंड लाइक अ हेडलेस चिकन। पोर्शन पढ़ लिया था ऑनलाइन की क्या क्या है। आई गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ रीच बट आई डिडंट हैव डेप्थ, basically missed out the cutoff by a couple, like 5 or 6 marks
Okay,
in my first attempt.
right.
So then I was like, थोड़ा strategy change करनी पड़ेगी. And when I was just going through YouTube, it was like a godsend thing that I stumbled across your YouTube channel. I like Insight SSB नाम थोड़ा fascinating लग रहा है, चलो देखते हैं क्या है. लास्ट का 1 महीना बचा था. एंड
Mhm.
दैट इज वेयर द क्रैश कोर्स जस्ट वर्क ब्यूटिफुली फॉर मी। सिर्फ वो 6-7 वीडियोस देख के 8 से 9 क्वेश्चंस हो जाते हैं लिटरली। मैं पूरा एंशियंट मिडिवल हिस्ट्री छोड़ के आया हूँ एंड आई रैंक्ड 11, सो 11th एंड 12th तक मैं सोचता था कि हाँ, पापा हैं फौज में, उनके कोर्समेट्स हैं फौज में, तो मैं भी चले जाऊंगा, उसमें क्या बड़ी बात है। आई गॉट अ टीआर स्पेसिफिकली फॉर
Mhm.
माई आई साइट। लाइक मेरे बच्चों को पता है, तुझे कैसे नहीं पता? तो लाइक नहीं सीखा अभी, क्या करें? सो इफ यू आर स्टडिंग फॉर 2 days, try to test yourself the third day on the things that you've already studied. Whenever I would get bored, instead of going on Instagram, I started going on Telegram. But once I got cleared in my appeal medical board, I was on top of the world. मैं 2 दिन में घर ही नहीं आया। I sat in a corner and just thanked my stars. पीडीएफ खोला, मैं नीचे से ढूंढने वाला था, बट वो ऊपर ही दिख गया मुझे ना। I've just got my step in the door. Like I've got my foot in the door right now. अभी एक्चुअल माउंटेन क्लाइंब करना है।
मतलब
दिस
वो
इज गोइंग टू
अकेडमी
बी
ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे वापस जाना नहीं चाहते, लेकिन वो भूली भी नहीं जाती।
एग्जैक्टली एग्जैक्टली।
Hi, Rishabh. How are you?
हेलो मैम, कैन यू हियर मी?
Yeah, I can hear you and I can see you as well.
ओह
So
परफेक्ट, हेलो।
Rishabh.
लाइकवाइज मैम।
Rishabh, you're joining academy. कल जाना है।
कल निकल रहा हूँ, हाँ। इट्स फाइनली स्टार्टेड टू हिट कि अब जा रहा हूँ मैं।
अच्छा, आखिरी का महीना आई एम प्रीटी श्योर इट वुड हैव बीन लाइक सुपर हेक्टिक, सबसे मिलना।
ऑनेस्टली एंड मैंने अभी तक इतनी बार नोटरी जा चुका हूँ एंड आई हैव गॉट सो मेनी सिग्नेचर्स एंड ये लेके जाओ, पासपोर्ट का कलर ये नहीं चाहिए, ये चाहिए। I've just my bed is right now completely scattered with white clothes everywhere because I have to carry all this stuff. So yeah, it's quite
Right.
fun.
I know, like last 1 month is so hectic. पूरा trunk organize करना, अपने पीटी वाले कपड़े सब white socks चाहिए, all the things have to be white. It gets hectic plus getting those uniforms and everything, वो भी उसको भी बाद में जाके वहाँ academy we have to get it stitched. A lot of things, I know.
मैम और अभी तो like because of WhatsApp and all, we have already started speaking to our seniors.
Okay,
Like I've been allotted my company. I'm in Zoshila now. So
okay.
एंड आई हैव ऑलरेडी बीन टोल्ड, हम सबको ऐसे लाइक डिक्टेटरशिप जैसे रूल्स होता है कि ऐसे ऐसे करो खौफ बिल्ड करने के लिए, बेसिकली
Right, right.
ऑलरेडी चालू हो गया है। दे जस्ट लाइक यू नीड सो प्रिसाइज विद एवरीथिंग। एक गलती के लिए तुम्हारी एक रात की नींद चली जाएगी, सो उसके हिसाब से सोच के आना है, ऐसे सब कुछ मैसेजेस डाल रहे हैं। सो या
अच्छा।
इट विल बी फन, लेट्स सी।
And initially कुछ दिनों खाना भी अच्छे से नहीं मिलेगा, log with the रगड़ा. So you have to get ready for that too.
या सो
Right. And abhi, the most important thing is, Rishabh, that some students के लिए it's the last 1 month that is going on. आपकी academy joining का
या
time and they're preparing for their CDS 1 2024. They're left with hardly a month
दैट्स
and
प्रैक्टिकली दैट्स प्रैक्टिकली 1 year ago where I was.
exactly right,
So
that particular
yeah,
situation.
yeah.
So they have, like, I asked them to pour in some questions which might help them in their preparation. So I have all of these questions. I took all these screenshots and I'll be
Oh,
asking you
lovely.
the
Okay.
same questions. Yeah, I'm not going to ask you any questions from my own will. I wanted that जो भी उनके doubts हैं, because they are into that situation where there's a lot of panic, stress, and
Hmm.
सब्जेक्ट समझ नहीं आ रहे हैं कौन कौन से करने हैं. So I feel उनके questions will be the right questions at this point in time.
Yeah, fair.
So we'll start with the first thing in here. It wasn't your first attempt when you got all India
It
rank.
was my second written attempt.
Yeah. So
First attempt was practically like I was moving around like a headless chicken. Portion पढ़ लिया था online कि क्या क्या है, and I was like चलो I bought this massive 700-page Pathfinder book. I got Lucent, I got all history, geography, civics textbooks from 6th standard till 12th standard, सब कुछ पढ़ के जा रहा हूँ, but like I got a lot of reach, but I didn't have depth. So, and I realized, and I practically missed out the cutoff by a couple, like 5 or 6 marks
Okay,
in my first attempt.
right.
So then I was like, थोड़ा strategy change करनी पड़ेगी because it's stupidities doing the same thing and expecting a different result. So that is when I realized कि कुछ और करना पड़ेगा. And when I was just going through YouTube, it was like a godsend thing that I stumbled across your YouTube channel. I like Inside SSB, नाम थोड़ा fascinating लग रहा है, चलो देखते हैं क्या है. And I saw one of your videos, एक month की current affairs की videos, and I was thinking कि ये this lady herself has cleared CDS पहले, so she knows what she's talking about. She's walked the talk practically. तो चलो देख लेते हैं. एक दो महीना I followed, and then I was like, चलो I think I can do my current affairs from here, because current affairs has been one thing. I do understand and see this in a lot of people who are writing CDS, is that लोग current affairs को सब कुछ बना देते हैं कि
Right.
current affairs is the main thing and बाकी कुछ है ही नहीं. Whereas if you actually look at the weightage, I realize 17 से 19 questions आते हैं current affairs के. तो उसके लिए they basically make a mountain of a molehill. तो then I realized कि चलो current affairs end में रखते हैं, because वैसे भी इतने महीने का cover करना है, it's all about rote learning. So I'll
Right.
do it at the end. And then I thought कि खुद को कौन से पसंद है subject. So I really like geography. So that is how I started. Instead of doing, so one of my seniors who had written the exam told me कि सब कुछ थोड़ा थोड़ा कर. But personally, I study better when I complete one subject and then move to the next.
Right.
So that's how I started. I did geography. And उससे जब solve कर रहा था तब confidence आ गया कि चलो 80-85% accuracy आ रही है with all the questions I'm attempting. Then I moved on to other subjects. And through this preparation, I also realized कि ये Pathfinder से तो कुछ होने नहीं वाला है. So then YouTube पे ही you were there, CDS journey was there. I started my entire preparation from that. And the best thing that I found about Inside SSB specifically was the test series that you give on Telegram. And I enrolled into the crash course specifically to check how I am doing personally, and also subjects like economics and modern history. I realized that I don't have time to cover it all. And last का एक महीना बचा था. And that is where the crash course just worked beautifully for me, because 10-12 minute की videos हैं.
Right.
And it through the topics, and at the end there's a 50 question ka like a test also,
Yeah.
which checks your understanding. So that is where the crash course helped me enormously. And I was in my final term of college, so मेरा finals का भी वो चल रहा था pressure. So that's why what I would do was, college जाता था, I would come in the evening and I would look at a couple of videos and then I would solve a paper. And that, I'll tell you मैम, वो जो physics का paper था, chemistry का paper था, एक 50 सेट का questions जो थे, I have done that same thing like 5 times each. So that just by the question I knew कि अच्छा ये answer है. So वैसे भी आगे जाके it helped a lot.
Right. सबसे पहला, you've already answered like maximum number of things, Rishabh, while telling me your journey. But there are like specific questions that people have, as you just told about the fact कि current affairs को लोग वही है कि it's just a part and people make it everything. Like current affairs ही करना है, रोज newspaper पढ़ना, etc. etc. It's great for SSB, I know. You get a lot of help in your GD and your lecturers. But when we specifically talk about CDS, I don't think you need a lot of it. And you've been somebody who had, completed your current affairs from inside SSB. So what do you want to say in there? You should study whole big magazines and, newspapers, or you can just simply go around with limited content.
Ma'am, so what I believe is, हमारे सामने विद्वान लोग बैठे हैं जो हमको clear cut चीजें लाके दे रहे हैं in the form of you. I don't actually need to look anywhere else. And just like me, any serious aspirant who is going to write the paper very soon does not need to crack their head over current affairs, because Inside SSB clears all that. Out of So मैंने CDS 2 CDS 1 2023 दिया था and CDS 2 2023 दिया था. 1 के लिए I'm joining now. 2 also had cleared. So दोनों में what I realized, दोनों के लिए I use Inside SSB
Right.
for my current affairs, and what I realized was out of the 19 to 20 questions, 8 questions तो मैं बस videos देख के ही कर पा रहा था.
Right. And
8
that
to 9
like वही
questions
20 मिनट वाली 20 से 30 मिनट hardly
एग्जैक्टली मंथली वीडियोस आती हैं, सिर्फ वो 6-7 वीडियोस देख के 8 से 9 क्वेश्चंस हो जाते हैं लिटरली. So half of your current affairs is done right there with what 2.5 hours of content. You just watch that same video thrice and you will memorize the whole thing.
Right.
So as far as
And last
and
time
like you
also what
mentioned,
happened was there was this one video, last minute revision video of like 100 questions that I posted. Out of that video, like 6 questions came as it is in the paper. So
exactly.
right.
वही जब मैं पेपर दिया था मुझे याद है, मैं भी देख के गया था वो वीडियो एंड लाइक अरे ये तो कल रात को ही पढ़ा था, एंड देन आई कुड कॉन्फिडेंटली circulate in the OMR.
Right.
And like you mentioned about the newspaper aspect, for SSB, for personality development, it's great. But you don't, for CDS exam specifically, it's very static, the current affairs that comes. So
Right.
वो आपके वीडियो से हो जाता है, and it's like जो आप टाइम अंदर इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो और उसका जो रिवॉर्ड मिल रहा है, it doesn't match when you are reading from a newspaper. If you're putting in 100 hours and you're getting 3 answers out of that, it doesn't make any sense.
True.
You could just rather use those 100 hours for covering all the subjects that you've done.
Yes.
So
that is what I tried.
okay. And ma'am,
but people don't understand this. उनको वही है कि रगड़ा करने की आदत है.
जैसे like you keep mentioning कि you know whatever is there उतना ही पढ़ो. Like if there are 100 things, you don't need to read all the 100 things to clear the paper. If your English score is decent, anything above 70, and you can score anything above a 35 in your OTA, in your GS paper or 40, you have cleared the paper.
Right.
So practically वैसा भी देखा जाए तो 100 जो चीज टॉपिक्स हैं उसमें से even if you filter it down to 40, you'll clear the paper. Like I'll give you my own example. I don't really like ancient history and medieval history. Studying मुझे बहुत boring लगता है. तो मैंने क्या देखा कि again 18 to 19 questions आते हैं हिस्ट्री में, उसमें से 8 से 10 आते हैं मेडिवल और एंशिएंट के. बाकी मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री हैं. तो why should I spend 50 hours trying to understand things for 7-8 questions? So I did not study it at all. मैंने छोड़ दिया. मैंने एंशिएंट और मेडिवल छुआ ही नहीं. But I made sure that everything else I did was up
a
to
question that came
the
from
mark.
one of the guy. Vikram asked this thing that after doing a lot of things in GS, history, science, geography, polity, yet worried about what to do and what not to do. So this is like a lot of people have this doubt कि सारे subject करके जाने ज़रूरी है या नहीं? How much time you should divide into each and every topic that you're giving. So this is like a doubt amongst a lot of people.
Okay, so as far as how much time to devote, I feel it's very personal. Like I mentioned, I really like geography and I can grasp it fast. So I did not require much time for geography. Whereas things like civics, which had a lot of memorization of articles and all. मैं तो science student हूँ, तो मुझे मुश्किल हुआ वो articles and all learn करना. So for me, I had kept devoted more time for polity. That does not mean that if you devote less time or more time, you'll score more marks or less marks. It's very subjective to the person there is. So I
it's
won't be able to give a break.
More about segregation of topics is what I feel that you mentioned.
Exactly.
It's not about time.
Yeah, and like how it's subjective it is. So जैसे आप ma'am, you might find polity to be very good. It might be like a piece of cake for you.
Yeah.
But history could be a little challenging. So for you personally, you would put in more time in history to get more marks.
Right.
And put less time in geography or polity that way. So कितना segregation किस में कर रहे हो, it's very subjective to what your likings and dislikes are and how much time you require for something. But as far as subjects is considered, I'd say topic wise करो. एक बार देख लो पुराने पेपर्स, you'll understand किस में ज़्यादा वेटेज है. जिसमें ज़्यादा वेटेज है उसमें ज़्यादा दिमाग लगा. And again, you don't need to study 100% of the syllabus to even score well. मैं पूरा ancient medieval history छोड़ के आया हूँ and I've ranked 11. So मतलब हो सकता है. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि सब कुछ पढ़ के ही जाना होता है. So that is that.
This is there. Like a lot of people don't understand it. What I have to ask you next is that in last week before the examination, how many times should a person revise whatever he or she has done?
Okay, so it again depends on whether they don't have anything else on card. Like I was going through college, तो मुझे college भी जाना पड़ रहा था. So the time I got in that last week was quite less. So and although I would bunk half of my college classes and half I would go and बाकी घर आके पढ़ता था. So I got around 5-6 hours
Okay.
in the last week. 6 hours approximately I got to study. So in those 6 hours, what I realized was, again, you need to realize what your strengths and weaknesses are. मुझे पता था मेरी English अच्छी है. So मैंने English पे focus नहीं दिया because I used to do practice of English papers regularly and I knew that I can score above 75. So English I wasn't looking much into, but things like polity, which had a lot of static data, numbers, article numbers, which I could forget, kept revising it. And मैंने क्या किया था कि आपके जो PDFs थे, मैंने प्रिंट आउट ले लिए थे सारे.
Right.
And every morning I would open 1 month का page, just read it, close it, then रात को open one more month का, read it. And what I realized after a couple of days was कि if the question comes, you might not know the answer to it exactly, but अगर 4 ऑप्शन दिए आपको याद होगा वो ऑप्शन,
एलिमिनेट कर
कि
सकते हो
कौन
आप.
सा सही,
Yes.
एलिमिनेट करके कर सकते हो. तो मैंने वही किया मेरे करंट अफेयर्स के लिए. Because anything you ask me some Navy key exercise with US, I might not be able to name what the exercise was, but if you give me the 4 options, eliminate karke I can tell you what the answer is.
Right.
So current
And
affairs
yes,
ke
the
liye that's like,
magazines also, like a lot of people talk about magazines, that almost everything is covered in those 7 to 8 pages of current affairs that's available in those magazines.
exactly,
Right.
exactly, literally.
A lot of people, what happens is that they start, because it's a long process of preparation. Some people, they are leaving their jobs and studying. So them are preparing with jobs and some of them with college. So the kind of doubt that comes every now and then is that I'm not able to achieve anything because some of them are not able to clear it in the first go. Right. So I'm pretty sure you just talked about what mistakes you did during your first attempt, but there is something that's missing. What kind of motivation did you give yourself for the second attempt? Because once you lose for the first time, no, it usually is very heartbreaking that अरे यार नहीं हुआ. So how did you pull yourself again, get into a level that नहीं यार पढ़ना है, I have to achieve that?
Ma'am, so to achieve that level, I artificially created an atmosphere of do or die for myself. So एक और चीज होती है कि you can keep giving serious till the time you're 24. So subconsciously वो रहता है कि यार ये नहीं हुआ तो अगली बार है. So that way you will keep those 6-7 attempts in your head.
Right.
You become complacent कि चलो ये नहीं हुआ, I'll try again. But after that first time when I did not clear, ऐसे ego hurt हुआ था मेरा कि how could I not clear? So I artificially created an environment thinking कि this is make or break. इससे नहीं हुआ तो नहीं होगा. And उसके लिए purposely I started sacrificing things. The entire concept of the armed forces stands on Balidan, right? You sacrifice something. So I took that and implemented that in my life. There would be college parties which would be happening. And I studied in Pune, so parties would be happening all the time. There would be college parties, there would be people gathering together, they would be going for picnics or study sessions, whatever there was. Although I could go and spend those 2 hours with them, I told myself that no, I will study.
Right.
So
you sacrificed.
दिमाग में रहता है कि मैं sacrifice कर रहा हूँ इसके लिए, so that means this is meaningful. So वो artificially दिमाग को पटरी पे लाया मैं कि करना पड़ेगा ये, and see what I'm sacrificing for this. So I did not go for my college farewell. I missed a lot of parties. I missed a couple of birthdays of really close friends. So
that is something that took you close to your dream. I feel that Balidan actually.
Exactly. So my college farewell was 4 days before my CDS paper. I was comfortable. I could have gone for an hour at least. घर के पास ही था, I could have gone for an hour. But then in my mind, I kept it ignited, that fire. I had to sacrifice my college farewell for this exam, so I have to clear it. So in that sense, the Balidan aspect is very important.
Wow. Like I'm so thrilled to hear that. Seriously, not everybody is able to have that kind of a jigara to do this. we do get so emotional with the fact, yeah, farewell hair, last time in the college with the friends, and you leaving it for your CDS, which is almost 4 days away. You could have seriously given an hour to it. Moving on to the next thing. Um, there is also a question that comes in a lot of people's mind, that you are a Navy brat, right? So, what the question that is usually asked from the people who are kids of defense, like be it officers or be it anybody who's serving in forces, that अरे यार तुम्हारे लिए तो बहुत ज़्यादा easy है कि तुम फौज में आ जाओगे, है ना, कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है, तुम्हारे तो मम्मी पापा हैं. So, do you feel it's easy for defense as like for the people who are from the family from defense to get into the vardi very easily?
Ma'am, so initially, I'll be very honest. I used to think in a similar line when I was back in school. So 11th and 12th तक मैं सोचता था कि हाँ पापा हैं फौज में, उनके कोर्समेट्स हैं फौज में, तो मैं भी चले जाऊंगा, उसमें क्या बड़ी बात है. But when you actually put yourself in the written exam, the SSB, the medicals, everything, that is when you realize that it's not a piece of cake. And I have so many friends who are sons of serving Army, Navy, Air Force officers who did not clear their SSB. So it's not that ki if my father is ex-NDA or if my father is from IMA, I can clear. ऐसा नहीं होता, first of all. And secondly, I will tell you where it helps. It helps because we are conditioned from childhood to see that kind of a life.
Right.
So I have grown up seeing my father, his course mates, the kinds of values that they hold, the prestige and the respect that they give themselves when they're wearing the uniform,
Right.
and how accountable they hold themselves. So those values have been inculcated in me since childhood, which help me fit in the mold better. But it does not make the entire examination or the testing process easier.
Right. I so agree with this. I feel the lifestyle that we live from childhood is something that automatically builds those officer-like qualities in us, because that bamboo is constantly behind us. Our dads make sure that we wake up early, even when it's Saturday and Sunday, whereas our civilian friends are still enjoying, late आराम से सो रहे हैं, सब कर रहे हैं. We are always pushed to go into some activity. Sports is something that we always do. We make sure we respect ladies. We make sure of so many things that's not usually seen in the civil world. So I feel those
Correct.
officer-like qualities are already built, and being that a lot of time our fathers don't stay within the cantonments or stations, like half the time they're not there, so we
Yeah.
do get very independent, and we are cultured to help other part of the families. Like if maybe your friend is unwell, his father is not there, so you make sure that your mother is making food for them, sending in case like whole family is ill. So these things automatically builds in that kind of a culture in us.
Ma'am, and adding to that, like this entire concept of officer-like qualities,
Mhm.
this OLQ wala term, I did not know until my SSB.
Same here.
Because I knew the qualities, but I did not know they were termed as OLQs, and this is what the SSB looks for. It just ingrained in us since we're kids, and कोई हमको ऐसे specifically छड़ी लेके बताता नहीं है कि अच्छा ऐसी चीजें सीखो. It
Right.
just so how when so I have a friend, and movies में भी बहुत दिखता है कि अरे डॉक्टर का बेटा डॉक्टर ही बनेगा. Now they tend to go that way because they have that direction and that discipline to lead that life ahead.
Right.
It's not ki it's easy for them. So I feel it's more about challenging yourself into clearing all these examinations, because I think we might discuss this later on, but the hardest part for me in this entire selection process was my medicals.
Right.
Because I got a TR specifically for my eyesight, and things like eyesight are that you can't just improve your vision in 42 days.
Right.
So that is when I had to actually introspect and just hope that things get better for me. I was also doing my eye exercises, I was doing yoga, but that was the moment where I felt I became more spiritual, because I had to believe in something, a higher power, to help me in that entire process. So that's why out of the entire process, my medicals was the hardest for me. So for somebody it might be the written, for somebody it might be the SSB. For me it was my medicals. So nobody has it easy.
Same goes
Everybody
with
has.
me. Being that like I could not join Ford just because of the medical reasons. So I do understand the process. I do understand how hard it is when you make it through the written again and again, SSB again and again. But then there comes something like medicals in which I don't think you have a control over. Right, that is something you have to believe.
Exactly.
Surely, as you said, it's something spiritual, something high power that kind of helps you out. Right. Moving ahead with one more thing in here. A lot of people want to know about books, the book list, because you just mentioned that there were certain books that you tried for, but it didn't work out for you at last. But if we talk about book list, something that anybody could go for, what it will be, as per you?
Okay. I wouldn't be able to answer that question very well. I'll tell you the reason for it, because personally, I went through the Pathfinders, I went through Lucent.
Mm-hmm.
I realized that it's like finding a needle in a haystack. That
Mhm.
was my experience.
Mm-hmm.
That I'll have to read through 900 pages to basically go and give an exam, which can be given if you just have the right material and the notes. So that is why those two books I tried, I couldn't get through it. But the books I did follow was sixth, I don't remember the exact classes, but I bought 6 to 11 standard geography textbooks, NCRT.
Mm-hmm.
I had got polity. Again, I don't remember the classes, but I got 3 books from polity, again NCRT. And English I was studying by myself. I was using YouTube. There are a plethora of YouTube channels which can help you out for your serious preparation. And now since we're moving to
it will be great, because I would love to
sorry?
share with my. If you can mention a few, it will be great. I would love to know. Let Inside SSB students also know about it.
Now you want to know the channels?
Yeah.
Okay, so for English, I was using English with Rani ma'am.
Okay.
Brilliant teacher. She breaks down all concepts in a very easy to understand manner.
Mm-hmm.
For English, my spoken English and comprehension and all was good. So I never had to worry about that, but I never studied grammar in school. I did not know
And this
the
is a
basics.
common myth that everyone has. If you speak well, you have good English.
Yeah.
That's like not the reality.
Really not. So ऐसे पढ़ के लगता था कि नहीं ये गलत है, but I don't exactly know क्या
समझ नहीं
सही है
आता कि
इससे.
गलत कहाँ है. ये मेरे साथ भी होता था.
So I did not know grammar rules until. So my mom would wonder. She is a kindergarten teacher, so she teaches kids grammar and then जो भी basic होता है. She like मेरे बच्चों को पता है, तुझे कैसे नहीं पता? तो I like नहीं सीखा अभी क्या करें? So English with Rani ma'am was for English, and I studied that. So that really helped me. I was scoring something around 70 in my English before all this, and after this I was scoring at an average of 80.
Oh,
So
wow.
मेरा
That's a good job.
10-11 marks का improve हो गया because of these YouTube channels for English.
Right.
As far as GS was considered, I was using Inside SSB का crash course for the smaller pocket size versions of all the subjects, and then I would come to Telegram. I would watch Inside SSB के उनके 10 या 15 questions डालते थे रोज.
Right.
वो करता था. This is one thing I would like to tell the people who are writing is constantly keep giving yourself a feedback mechanism.
Mm-hmm.
In the sense कि सिर्फ पढ़ के नहीं समझ में आएगा. If you're studying for 2 days, try to test yourself the third day on the things that you've already studied.
Right.
Because other than that, just you're eating, but process नहीं हो रहा कुछ. So there's no point. This was one mistake I made in my first serious exam. I was just reading everything. And 1 week before my exams, I started solving previous year questions.
Okay.
But in my second attempt, although I did not sit with an entire 120 question exam, but every day I would do 10-15 questions over
So
a
you
2-3 months.
basically train your mind to do those multiple choice questions. And
Exactly.
Because what happens with us is कि हमारी आदत है हमेशा आंसर्स लिखने की. That is how our mind has been trained. स्कूल में, कॉलेज में हम वही एग्जाम्स देते आए हैं. अब एकदम से जैसे ही we get into competitive world, we have to choose one answer out of those four very similar, statements. So it gets very
Yeah.
difficult for our mind to equip with the fact कि कैसे solve करें. So उसके लिए I feel that question mark मतलब करना is very very regularly we should solve a few questions in there, right?
I mean, what I started doing was that one more thing. This is very off topic, but I was doing a social media detox because I realized that my attention span is that of a goldfish, and I need to move away from this. So because of that, whenever I would get bored, instead of going on Instagram, I started going on Telegram. And ऐसे ही bed पे लेटे लेटे I would read the question and I would just answer. Even though I did not know the answer, I would just tick one of those four. And उन चारों में से कोई एक सही हो जाता था, गलत हो जाता था, तो then register हो जाता था दिमाग में. So that's what, even in my leisure time, I started doing that. So that also helped.
Right. नहीं यार, it is, I personally feel कि ये आजकल सबकी Gen Z's I'll say ये एक normal चीज है कि we are into this world where there's Instagram, there is Snapchat, and every second we want to go back there, see लोगों ने क्या story update की and live into that unreal world. तो उससे बाहर निकलना बहुत जरूरी है during this time phase of preparation. So we must channelize our energy towards something like this.
I mean, since this is month left, everybody who's writing the paper, I'd really suggest get off Instagram or any other social media platform, because मैंने last के 1.5 महीना deactivate कर दिया था, because there is nothing that you're going to get out of that 45 days of using Instagram. Rather than that, if you just put those 2 hours every day into studying or just doing anything, honestly, rather than social media, you'll be better off. So
right. Great. एक और question आया था मेरे पास. This was regarding that. Just give me a second. I'll just check it out where exactly it is. Yeah. So Anirudh Thakur, he has asked, how does it feel after achieving success? Because there are times when aspirants feel that it's too hard and we doubt ourselves that we won't make it. By hearing like how exactly you felt after achieving your All India rank 11, I guess that they'll boost their confidence with that kind of a note.
So I'll go part by part, every stage. So as soon as I came out of my written exam, I was not actually very sure that I've cleared or not, because I felt like I was a very borderline case. So right after coming out of that exam, I was waiting for all these YouTube channels to start coming out with these answer keys. So I sat with a friend of mine, हम कैफे में बैठ के कॉफी ऑर्डर करके दोनों चेक कर रहे थे मेरा पेपर. And उस टाइम पे भी I was on a borderline, so I was not very sure. But then when the result came, I was extremely happy, because I was like, finally, I missed my farewell for this. So it makes sense. So written exam, I was very happy after I cleared, because it was the second time I'd given it. As far as SSB was considered, only once a person goes to the SSB and gets recommended, they realize that for you to celebrate, there is very little time.
Yeah.
On the 5th day you get recommended, you're like, oh chalo ye, you call your friends, you call your parents, you're happy, and then अगले दिन से medical चालू हो जाता है.
Right.
And the entire medical process is created in such a way that it just humbles you down completely. There have been days I've gone to the military hospital, just sat in the morning till the afternoon and come back. ऐसे 2-3 दिन continuously हुआ है, because doctor available नहीं होता. So all this air.
So they will give priority to the patients, and you'll just keep sitting in that one room where all of you. And पता है लोगों को लगता है कि recommend होना is like a big deal. जब recommend हो जाते हैं और आप 8-9 लोग एक साथ बैठे होते हैं उसी रूम में, उसी कमरे में, and everybody is treating you like, चलो अब इस वाले डॉक्टर के पास जाना है, अब इस वाले डॉक्टर के पास जाना है, आप ऑटोमेटिकली फील करने लग जाते हो, अरे अच्छा यार बस recommend ही तो है, तो क्या हो गया.
Exactly. I literally faced that, because we were literally like the bottom grade citizens of that military hospital. True. Everybody was given preference over us. 5
times, I know that. It's like yeah.
So SSB के बाद भी, like, you do really enjoy it, but you don't get time to truly internalize कि हाँ मैंने कर दिया है ये complete. Right. It's only much after you come back from your medicals when you think about your SSB. And unfortunately for my case, in my special medical board, I got a TR. So medicals के बाद तो दुखी था वो. And I was not exactly sure whether I'll be able to bring my IPAR within the limit in 42 days. So that constant stress phase was there. But once I got cleared in my appeal medical board, I was on top of the world. मैं 2 दिन में घर ही नहीं आया रात को. I was just outside. I was just enjoying. Met my friends, called people I hadn't spoken to in a very long time, and honestly, I sat in a corner and just thanked my stars. Because, like I mentioned, I really required a high powers influence to be able to go through this medical journey.
Right.
And after that was again something.
Dang, I have
But
goosebumps listening to your story.
honestly, ma'am, it was something. I really feel that मैंने खुद नहीं किया वो. There was an higher power which helped me do that, because खुद से तो नहीं कर पाता मैं. So
I feel it
after
was a
that,
dedication. I feel it was your trust in the fact that you can do it.
yes, ma'am, definitely. So it just faith in something, in yourself and in the higher being, for myself.
True.
So, and as far as All India rank was considered, वो तो इतने टाइम बाद आया. My medicals got over in October, and All India rank came in the end of January. That for 3 months you don't know whether you're getting in or going out. So again, you're in that 50-50 zone. I was also working that time. And once the rank came, तो नॉर्मली वो 3 इडियट्स के जो सीन है ना, कि जैसे एज सून एज एग्जामिनेशन खत्म होता है, लोग खड़े हो जाते हैं वो अपने रोल नंबर ढूंढने के लिए, एंड सब लोग ये
नीचे से शुरू करते
छोड़
हैं.
नीचे से ढूंढते रहे. तो मैंने पीडीएफ खोला, मैं नीचे से ढूंढने वाला था, बट वो ऊपर ही दिख गया मुझे नाम. सो इट वाज क्वाइट थिंग दैट आई डिड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट.
Right.
ऐसे थोड़ा टाइम लगा सेट इन होने के लिए कि रैंक अच्छा है. But once it did set in, then I was just very happy कि चलो, I do have the potential to do well, that means.
And you surely have all of that. Talking to you, I always feel this one thing, Rishabh. You're such a humble, such a dedicated chap who made it to a level from not able to clear in the first attempt to getting All India rank 11, just within a year process where people take 2-3 years to do such things. I feel you had all that, confidence, zeal, and that persistence to make it happen.
Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate it.
And अब बस एक दिन बचा है वापस अब एकेडमी के. अब reality is hitting है ना. This is the time.
Again, वापस I will be transported to my special medical board time, when you are the most lowly citizen on the planet. अभी वापस till the time कंधों पे सितारे नहीं आते, you've practically, I've just got my step in the door, like I've got my foot in the door right now. अभी actual mountain climb करना है.
Yeah. All studies, all that PT sessions, all that रगड़ा, ऊपर से वो swimming test pass करना, पता नहीं क्या क्या है यार. Jump, that biggest jump that you have to do. मैंने वो सारी stories सुन
मजा आएगा.
I'm sure you will enjoy it. It will be a thrill.
Honestly, one thing I've noticed about all the Fauji's I've spoken to is they speak very highly of their academy days.
Yeah.
So,
मतलब
this
वो
is going to
academy ऐसी
be
जगह है जहाँ पे वापस जाना नहीं चाहते, लेकिन वो भूली भी नहीं जाती.
exactly. So yeah, really looking forward to it.
Yeah. And all the best. I'm really very happy to talk to you, Rishabh, today. Thank you so much for
Thank you,
giving
ma'am.
this opportunity to me. And I'm sure that many of other Insight SSB aspirants will be taking a lot of, pickaways from your story and will choose to go on the right path.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rishabh.